What you say when you are ill. I am laid up with the cold. I have come down with the flu. I am not feeling my best. I am a little under the weather. I feel like death warmed up. The word of the day is opportunity. For example, he took the job opportunity. He had the opportunity to move up in the company. She saw a business opportunity. The difference between say and tell. The difference is when we use them. Say is just for general conversation, but when we use tell, it's like we give some specific information. For example, I told him not to do it. I told him all the information. So, when we use tell, it's all about specific information. Daily use sentences. मुझे कोई नहीं समझता. No one understands me. तुम्हारा मसला क्या है? What's your problem? तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे. You will never change. सुनकर कैसा लगा? How does that sound? Oblivious मतलब बेखबर. She is oblivious. She doesn't understand my hints. Oblivious के बदले आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं unaware, unsuspecting, ignorant. Stop saying I think. Start saying in my opinion, from my point of view, I believe, the way I see it is my view. Stop saying shut up. Start saying shut your mouth, shut your pie hole. Silence is golden. Put a sock in it. Be quiet. Everyday phrases. Fill me in. Give more details. I am all ears. I am listening to you. Pull out all the stops to make a big effort. Hit the sack. Go to sleep. Ring a bell. It sounds familiar. Face the music to accept criticism. Heart in my hand. Feeling. Normal English versus advanced English. I am very happy. I am on cloud 9. It's very easy. It's not rocket science. It's very expensive. It costs an arm and a leg. इंग्लिश में बेशरम को शेमलेस कहते हैं, नक चढ़ा को हॉटी कहते हैं, बेरहम को रूटलेस कहते हैं और बातूनी को टॉकेटिव कहते हैं. वो मेरी बात नहीं सुनती है. She doesn't listen me. No, this is wrong sentence. She doesn't listen to me. This is the right sentence. Basic English. I am not interested in singing. Advanced English. Singing is not my cup of tea. Stop saying I think. Start saying I guess, I reckon, I suppose, I presume, I would say, the way I see, it occurs to me, it seems to me. Stop saying I think. Start saying I guess, I reckon, I suppose, I presume, I would say, the way I see, it occurs to me, it seems to me. Daily use sentences. अगर आपने कहना हो सब कुछ आपकी वजह से है, It is all because of you. अगर आपने कहना हो हमारे पास किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं, We lack nothing. अगर आपने कहना हो ये मुफ्त का है, It is free. अगर आपने कहना हो मेरी बस छूट गई है, I missed my bus. अगर आप कहो फिर से मत करना, Don't do it again. अगर आपने पूछना हो आप कहाँ थे, Where were you? अगर आप इंग्लिश में कहना चाहते हो कि मेरा पेट भर गया है, I am full के बदले आप इनमें से एक सेंटेंस इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. I am stuffed. I couldn't eat another bite. I have had enough. I am satisfied. I have eaten too much. I am full to the rim. No more for me. Thanks. Days vocabulary: 7 days, 1 week. 14 days, 1 fortnight. 30 or 31 days, 1 month. 365 days, 1 year. 366 days, 1 leap year. 12 months, 1 year. 1 year anniversary. 10 years, 1 decade. 25 years, silver jubilee. 50 years, golden jubilee. 60 years, diamond jubilee. 75 years, platinum jubilee. 100 years, 1 century. Don't say bye. Say see you later. Don't say don't worry about it. Say don't sweat about it. Don't say it's fine. Say it's okay by me. Don't say how are you. Say what's up. Different ways to say hurry up. There is no time to lose. Time waste for no one. Let's pick up the pace. Let's go faster. Get a move on. Shake a leg. Move along. Jump to it. Chop chop. Stop saying calm down. Start saying relax. Drop it. Chill out. Take it easy. Give it a rest. Just let it go. Take a chill pill. Take a deep breath. Stop saying thank you. Start saying thanks a lot. Many thanks. Thanks a bunch. It's very kind of you. I really appreciate it. A million thanks to you. Thank you for everything. Stop saying I understand. Start saying got it. I get it. I follow. I grasp it. I catch on. I see your point. I got the hang of it. And the last, I know what you mean. Go and goes. I, you, they and we. He, she, it या proper name के साथ goes लगता है. For example, I go, they go, you go and we go. He goes, she goes, it goes and Ali goes. Don't say I study in USA. Say I study in the USA. Don't say it is a high paid job. Say it is a high paying job. Don't ask who is in the phone. Ask who is on the phone. Daily use sentences. मैं कुंडी लगा दूं. Can I latch the door? थोड़ा सा म्यूजिक बजाओ. Play some music. चलें बाहर. Shall we go outside? क्या मैं तुम्हें कॉल कर सकती हूँ? Could I call you?